Test login with random credentials. Notice they use a generic error message. Send this request to burp repeater. Take note of the response timing, it's around 184 millis. We will log in with the given credential from the lab. Send this valid login to repeater. Notice it's 302 status code with 181 millis in response timing. We send this request again. Notice it became 200 status code instead of 302 status code. Upon investigation in the response, we notice it says too many attempts error message, and we are temporarily blocked. Let's try to bypass this IP blockage by using X forwarded for header with any random value. Make the server thinks we are coming from another IP address. And it works. We are back to 302 successful login. Let's send this request to burp intruder. We will attempt to brute force valid username. Other than the username, we also need to add the X forwarded for header as the payload injection header, and choose pitchfork attack this time. When we have two positions to fuzz side by side, not all combinations, we can use pitchfork. For the first payload, we will use numbers from 1 to 100, with each step add one at a time. As for the second payload, we will use the username Wordlist. Invalid username won't check on the password, but valid username will check. Thus we should use a longer password, thus longer verification time taken. We will set the resource pool to one request at a time for more precise timing. Let's start the attack. Brute force attack completed. We filter by the response time and noted that one username has higher response time taken, whereas the rest are around 200 plus. We update the valid username to the burp intruder request, and change the payload area to password. Don't forget to add payload area for X forwarded for to prevent any IP blockage. We will use a new set of number for this X forwarded for header. We will use this password Wordlist for brute force attack. Again, ensure the resource pool is set to one request at a time for more precise timing. The brute force attack is completed, and we filter and noted one response ends in 302 status code. Nice, we have found the correct password. Let's attempt to tamper the login process. We will add the X forwarded for header to prevent any IP blockage. Add X forwarded for header. Now we refresh the page to see the updated changes from what we tampered.